Salam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Exotic and alluring, the Arabian jasmine plant is native to Southeast Asia. It is known botanically as Jasminum sambac. Its sweetly fragrant flowers are prized. In fact, it's the national plant of the Philippines and one of the 3 national plants in Indonesia. The floral aroma is used in China to scent jasmine tea, and jasmine flowers adorn leaves in the Hawaiian Islands. As you can probably guess, this tropical delight is a real treasure in the garden. Fragrant plants like this one add ambience, and the little dark green leaves on these shrubs are visually appealing. This is normally a summer plant, so in winter it goes in dormancy period. So after winter our plant's health was like this. So this time you need to take some special care to get more jasmine blooms for your plant. What my mom did after winter is removed all the weeds, then loosened the soil, checked if the plant had any root bound or not, and repotted the plants. So if you don't know how to do repotting in your plants, we have already uploaded a video about it, so you can watch the video. Also, this spring season is the best time to prune your plants, so if you need to do some pruning, you need to do it now. Make sure to remove all the dead and damaged leaves, deadhead some stems, and do as much pruning as you can. Pruning your plant will help the plant to be bushier. Right now, as you can see, my mom is loosening the soil to remove the plant from the pot. My mom tries to repot the plant once in a year. Also, my mom tries to check if the plant has any root bound throughout the year by this repotting process. Here are these plants had root bound. My mom removed the half part of the root totally. Also, while repotting, keep in mind that you need to use totally new soil. While my mom repots, my mom never cleans the soil from the roots. This helps in removing the stress from the repotting the plant and root bound that the plant had. For this plant, you need to find a loose, loamy and humus-rich soil. As my mom prepares his manures in home as she does homemade gardening, she used some kitchen waste compost, some garden soil and some tea leaves for the mixture of the soil. Look, after repotting, new branching has started to come. As you can see, the birds have also started to arise. While repotting, my mom did not give any special fertilizer, but as new foliage has started to come, my mom decided to give some fertilizer. The liquid fertilizer here is vegetable peels soaked water and rice water mixed. This you can give instead of water daily. But to actually get your flowers, you need to give some high potassium phosphorus fertilizer. And this plant likes slightly acidic soil. So for this, my mom is going to give a mixture of banana peel and some eggshells and some citrus peel. All of these are dried and crushed. With this fertilizer, we had also given kitchen waste compost to our plant. The kitchen waste compost will fulfill all the micro and macronutrients for the plants. So, until the blooming season, you need to give this fertilizer once every fortnight. Also, make sure to always give your liquid fertilizer daily. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, these plants like moist soil, so after giving this dry fertilizer, make sure to water your plant. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Also, make sure to check out our Facebook page, Chhoti. Make sure to do organic gardening and save the earth. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay